Good morning, students. Hope you are learning well at your homes. Today, I am going to start a new topic prepositions. As we have read this in our previous classes also, but today we will discuss here. So, if I ask you, what do you understand by prepositions? Then you must be knowing this word preposition. It is made up of two words, pre and positions. Okay, so pre means before and position means the position. So by looking at this, we can say that prepositions are the words that tell us about the position of a noun or pronoun. They tell you, first of all, they tell you about the position of any noun or pronoun, where actually what is their position. So this is the first function of the prepositions. For example, if you see, let me show you some picture. Here you can see a ball. You can see there is a ball, and this ball is kept. This ball is here kept inside this box. So we can say the ball is in the box or the ball is inside the box. Next, if you see, somebody has thrown this ball, and this ball is in motion and going away. So the ball is going through the box. When there is a motion, you can see the motion there. The ball is in motion. Can see this? So next you see, if you can see, among. If ball is kept in among many such balls, then I can say that the red ball is among other black balls. So the red ball is among the black balls. When there are many things, then we use among. If there are only two balls, suppose that here you can see one ball and two ball, and red ball is kept in middle, so I can say that the red ball is between two black balls. So if it is surrounded by only two, then we use between. Understanding? If it is surrounded by only two, then we use between, and if it is surrounded by many, then we use among. So between and among, it could be clear to you that if there is the ball is kept between two balls, then we use between, and more than two, then we use among. Next, if you see, this is written behind. You can clearly see in the picture the ball is behind the box. You can see that is behind the box. The ball is here and the box is here, so the ball is behind. And if you see, if in the next picture, if you see this along, if there is a movement and it is moving in the direction, moving in this direction, you can see here, you can see here, So this is moving in the direction, in the same direction of the road. Then you can see the ball is moving along the road in this direction. Okay, and if it is closer to it is away from the road, it is not on the, if it is moving on the road, then we say we use along the road. If it is moving slightly away from that, so that we can say the ball is moving across the road, across, a bit away, across, you can see. Next, up, when it is moving up, you can see, up and down. The ball is moving uphill, the ball is moving down the hill. And in the same way you can see onto, when there is a motion, then you can use onto and upon also. And off, onto means when the movement is towards it, ठीक है. You can see when the movement is towards the thing, then we use onto. The ball is moving, the ball is onto the table. Okay, and the ball is moving off the table. When it is coming down, then off, moving up, then on it. Then into, if motion is there, then we use into. The ball is thrown into the box. If movement is there, then we use into. If it is kept, then we use in. And if it is this is in motion, then we use into. The ball is thrown into the box. And out of, when the movement is there, the ball is thrown out of the box. In the same way, if you see, against, when something is lying adjacent to it, then we say that the ball is placed against the box. And over means slightly above, this is called the over. Here you can see from and to. If something is coming from where it starts, that is from, and where it goes, that is to. And towards, when there is a fixed motion. And under, if the ball is under the sea, you can see the picture. Over, slightly above, you can see. Below, above and below, and around and around, you can see. We can say, if it is the ball is around or round. Okay, these are the a few examples of prepositions. So here it is used for ball. You can use it for different subjects. So for man, woman, girl, boy, dog, cat, for anything we use. And finally, this idea is there with you now, that prepositions tell us about the positions. Now the next thing is this, that these prepositions, they also tell you about the relation of a noun and pronoun. Their relation, what is their relation to that, how they are related. Okay, how they are related to each other, that is also told by a preposition. I hope it is now clear to you. So now these in, on, at, upon, along, across, into, and these are the prepositions, and we need to learn their use. Okay, and now coming to the point here, the exercise number 1, it is said that circle the prepositions in the following sentences. She is proud of her handwriting. So of, here this of, it would be the preposition here. Of is a preposition here, you can see. This of is a preposition here. Okay, of is a preposition here. Next, if you see, and we should not quarrel with one another. So with is a preposition here. Why did you come late from school? From comes becomes the preposition. He came and sat beside. hmm? Beside is a preposition here. Beside means sidewise. Hmm? Sidewise. And next comes your, what did you hide behind? Behind will be the preposition here. Next, number 6, leaves fell off the tree. Off will be the o double f off. When something is detached from something, then we use o double f off. Don't gather around. Around would be the preposition here. He sat, number 8, he sat at the table. At would be the preposition here. And it is quarter to. Two is a preposition here. And also by is a preposition here. And they stayed at village. At will be the preposition here. So in this way you can circle these prepositions in the exercise number 1 given. I hope you can do this. And now look at the exercise number 2. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. The train stopped on the at the platform, in the platform. No, train is not inside the platform. Train is at the platform. Okay, so at would be the right answer here. Then Suman is fond. Fond always takes off. Suman is fond of chocolates. Okay, you need to keep in mind this, after fond we always use of off. Then the teacher went the staff room. The teacher went, it means that there is a motion. Then teacher, if teacher would be already in staff room, then we will write in, but teacher is in motion, then we will use into here. Please chop the vegetables with a knife or by a knife. So we use with a knife here. And the vegetables were chopped by mother. If there is a person, then we use by mother. Okay. And I am uh, looking on my lost keys or for my lost keys. We will use here for. I am looking for my lost keys. I am looking uh, uh, at the blackboard or for the blackboard. I am looking at the blackboard. Here you need to keep in mind both are looking, but we need to change the preposition according to the sense. In the first sentence, he was looking for the keys, lost keys. He was looking for means searching for the lost keys, and looking at means looking very attentively on the blackboard for the study. You can understand. Yeah, so these are the things that you need to keep in mind. As per the sense of the sentence, we use the prepositions. Like the plane was flying above the cloud or on the cloud. Not on the cloud. On is for the fixed position, and plane is not fixed at the cloud. So we will use above. And the shop beside my school. Between we use for if it is in the middle of the two things, but it is not in the middle of the two things. It is beside, means sidewise. So beside would be the correct answer. In this way you can do these exercises given in your book, and you can solve it. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask in the doubt session. Thank you.